Is this your first time flying or flying alone? I remember mine. I was terrified I'd miss my flight, sit in the wrong seat, or do something embarrassing at security. Everyone acts like flying is obvious, but nobody actually explains what to do step by step. So today I'm going to walk you through the entire process from booking to baggage claim so you feel confident and not confused. And trust me, after 40 years and hundreds of flights, I've seen every mistake. My name is Jackie, and after 40 years of travel, I can tell you everyone was a first-time flyer once. The difference is most of us learn the hard way. Well, now you don't have to. If you want stress-free travel tips, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps this channel and more people see these guides. I'm going to go ahead and break this into 5 simple phases: booking, pre-flight, security, on the plane, and arrival. And I'll show you the mistakes that cost most people time, money, and stress. Booking. Let's start at the beginning. Booking your ticket. This is where most mistakes happen. You need to pick where to sit. Window seats give you great views and a wall to lean on, but you have to climb over people to get to the bathroom. Aisle seats give you easy bathroom access and more legroom, but people bump into you. For first-timers, though, I recommend aisle for flexibility. Avoid the back of the plane at all costs. It's noisy, and you board last. Avoid middle seats at all costs. There are 0 benefits to a middle seat. And if you're a nervous flyer, sit over the wing. That's where you'll feel the least turbulence. When should you book? For domestic flights, book 1 to 3 months out. For international flights, book 2 to 6 months out. Tuesday and Wednesdays are better for departures, and they're often cheaper than weekends. What type of flight should you take? First-timers should go direct if possible. Connections add stress and risk of missing a flight. Only book connections if you're saving significant amounts of money. You've booked your flight, but here's what most people forget to do next: pre-flight. The days before your flight are just as important as the flight itself. Check in 24 hours online before your flight. This gets you better seat selection, saves time at the airport, and puts your boarding pass on your phone. Set an alarm for exactly 24 hours before departure so you're reminded to check in. What documents will you need? For domestic flights, bring a government-issued real ID that matches your ticket exactly. So your name on your driver's license should match the name you use on your ticket. This is very important. Also, for international flights, you'll need a passport with at least 6 months validity beyond the date of your flight. When to arrive? Arrive 2 hours before domestic flights, 3 hours before international. If you're a first-timer, I'd recommend you add about 30 minutes as a buffer. Better to be early and relaxed than rushing and stressed. What not to pack in a carry-on? Liquids over 3.4 ounces must go in checked bags. All your carry-on liquids must fit in one clear quart-sized bag. Never pack medications, valuables, or important documents in your checked bag. Always put them in a carry-on or your personal item bag. Pro tip: pack an empty water bottle and fill it after security. Now you're at the airport. Here comes the part that stresses everyone out: security. Security isn't scary once you know what to expect. Before you get in line, have your boarding pass and your ID in your hands. Have your liquid bag and your laptop easily accessible. You'll remove your jacket, your belt, and any items from your pockets, and you'll put your purse and sometimes your shoes in the bin. Follow the TSA agent's instruction. Take your laptop and your liquids bag out and put them in separate bins. For faster moving through the TSA security line, wear slip-on shoes. Minimize your jewelry and have everything organized before you reach the bins. If for some reason you get pulled aside, don't panic. This is normal. It's usually random or routine, and the TSA agent will explain exactly what they need to check, so you're not in trouble. If you fly more than twice a year, consider TSA PreCheck. It's totally worth it. You keep your shoes on, your laptop stays in your bag, and the lines are way, way shorter, trust me. So now you've made it through security. Let's talk about what happens at the gate and on the plane. At the gate, find your gate number on the departure boards. Watch for gate changes. They do happen. Check your boarding group on your boarding pass and don't line up until your boarding group is called. While you're waiting, this is a great time to use the bathroom, fill up your water bottle, and grab snacks if you need them. Here's the boarding mistake that annoys everyone: crowding the gate before your group is called. Wait your turn. When your group is called, have your boarding pass ready and move quickly down the aisle. Once you've boarded the plane, your carry-on goes wheels first into the overhead bin. Your personal item goes under the seat in front of you. If the bins are full, the flight attendants will gate check your bag for free, so don't panic. This is completely normal. They do it all day, every day. Seat etiquette. The middle seat gets both armrests. They have the worst seat on the entire plane, so at least give them this. Check behind you before reclining, and on short flights, consider not reclining at all. During the flight, flight attendants are there to help, so don't be afraid to ask questions. Turbulence is normal, and the plane is designed for it. Stay hydrated and move around if you're on a long flight. Okay, so we're almost there. Let's talk about what happens when you land. Arrival. You've landed, but you're not done yet. Be sure to wait your turn. Everyone's getting off the plane. Some people are trying to make flight connections, so if they are, it's polite to let them go first. Check your seat pocket and under your seat for all belongings, and follow the signs to baggage claim or the exit. If you're going to baggage claim, look at the monitors for your flight number to find your carousel. Bags generally take about 15 to 30 minutes to arrive, so stand back from the carousel and just step forward when you see your bag. If your bag is lost for some reason, go to the airline's baggage service desk immediately. Have your baggage claim ticket ready, give them the information, they'll track your bag and deliver it to you, usually within 24 hours. If you're looking for ground transportation, make sure you know where you're going before you get to the exit. Follow the signs for taxis, ride shares, rental cars, or public transit. And that's it. You've officially survived your first flight. Before we wrap up, here are the mistakes I see all the time. Mistake number 1, not checking flight status before leaving for the airport. Delays happen. Check before you leave home. Mistake 2, packing valuables or medications in checked bags. Always carry on. Mistake 3, not having a backup plan for delays or cancellations. Mistake 4, forgetting to put your phone in airplane mode during the flight. Mistake 5, not bringing snacks. Airport food is expensive. Mistake 6, wearing uncomfortable clothes. You're going to be sitting for hours, so make sure whatever you're wearing is comfortable. Mistake 7, not downloading the airline app. It generally updates faster than the airport boards, so make sure you downloaded the app before you leave your house. And finally, here are some pro tips. Bring the empty water bottle with you so you can fill it once you get through security. Charge your phone fully, arrive early, and feel free to ask questions. Airport staff are there to help. So there you have it. Everything you need to know for your first flight from someone who's done it hundreds of times. You went from nervous first-timer to confident traveler in 10 minutes. And remember, everyone was new once. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to ask questions. You've got this. If this helped you calm your nerves, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other nervous or first-time flyers find this guide. And please make sure you're subscribed for more stress-free travel tips. Next, you'll want to watch my video on never overpack again, so you're fully prepared for your next flight. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and remember, pack light, travel luxe, no apologies.